guys, this is the RC Pros. We're doing the...
It's a vintage 1980s Nikki Mini Panther. So that's what the car looks like. And the remote is very simple. It only has
forward. So, anyways, I'll tell you.
Yeah, so when you turn it on, it's the default is to go like backwards and turning, and then when you press up, it goes straight.
So yeah, when you press up, if you let go, it turns.
So you wait until the direction it's facing you want to go, and then you press up.
And then if you
let go, so now I'll go straight. There we go.
Let's do a range test.
So pretty cool.
I'm gonna do a...
I got it for $8 at an estate sale.
It's hard to control.
Yeah, it's probably not going to go very straight. Looks like it veers.
Is it off-road?
No. Veers to the right pretty good.
How far is the range?
Yeah, I'd be surprised if it got to the end of the driveway. Veers really bad to the right, almost. Yeah, it's not bad.
It's so hard.
Can you make it come back?
No, it's not.
Nope. It's stuck now. Yep.
And it's tiny. Let's see if it goes off-road. 100% chance this does not go off. I mean, it looks like a fast car.
Yeah, it's also about 40 years old, so maybe it was faster when it originally. So it looks good though. It was really clean. They were smart enough to take the batteries out before they stored it. Sweet.
Okay.
How many out of 10 on this one, you think? It's not going to go off-road. 2 out of 10? 3 out of 10? Yeah. It's pretty cool. For like a little toy. It's an interesting design.
It looks like a super fast 100 mile.
Got a little crack there we're going to fix.
Where?
In the front.
Oh.
Alright, like and subscribe. We want some more cool remote control and other toy videos.
Bye.